on her way. Feeling good, like I should. Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I figured I would show you guys what it's like on my day off. Well, technically, it's not really my day off. I only have like one client this morning at 9. It's currently 8:53 in the morning.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch, go.
Done. And one of my girls that I work with is going to be doing it for me. We're going to be doing both of each other's hair. So I figured I would vlog it since I'm putting my extensions back in. Alrighty, you guys, I just got in. This is my station at work. I have so many products, it's like not even funny. Clearly, she's a product junkie. Anyways, so I'm waiting on my client. She was supposed to be here at 9. It's 9:02. She's a little late. I'm like, girl, where are you at? But I really want to show you guys my extension install and my color and everything. So I'm definitely going to be filming a lot of that. I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't got my hair done in forever. But yeah, let's get to it. I didn't even show you guys the fit. Let me show you the fit. Alright guys, this is Olivia. She's gonna be doing my hair. Super cute. We just put her extensions back in and then we're gonna mess with her color in a few. We only have one row in so far. I'm excited. How do you feel with them in? I think they're cute.
I love them.
I'm ready to get into it again.
See the finished look.
That's what I'm saying. She's gonna be a baddie.
Really good.
She's gonna be a baddie or whatever. Okay, my hair's back in. She's looking like a lioness right now. So is she. Into it. All right, now we just have to do our color and then blow dry pretty much. But I think I want to do a brighter piece up front and then take down my natural just like a tiny bit more because my hair's looking a little orange right now. She just finished boiling. She's gonna look cute. This is the look. I'm all done. I'm all done. She's gonna be cute walking out of here. Alrighty, you guys. So here I'm just showing you guys me melting her hair back down. We pretty much just did the same look on each other, the same concept, just in different tones and different colors. This look that I'm doing on her right now has been so insanely trendy. I have like literally had so many clients come in and be like, hey, I want this picture, and it's the same thing, just like that money piece in front and the root melted down a little bit more. I mean, I love it, and it looks beautiful. I just like that we're going like a little bit more natural, a little bit more subtle. But yeah, I feel like it's nice because there's no line of demarcation since you're melting your root down a little bit. But yeah, in between her processing time, we pretty much just went back in and did my hair, which you guys are about to see. But if you're a hairdresser and you're watching this, I'm telling you, make time for yourself. We don't get it very often, but it is very important to take care of yourself. The next clip I'm going to show you guys is pretty much just her finishing up my hair, what I lightened to, and what we're going to be using. We're washing off my foils, if these salons or whatever. I'm kidding, I'm not. Alright, you guys, so this is what my foils ended up lifting to, but not to worry. This is what the hair looks like before we actually tone it down. And this kills me because I'll have some clients that start looking on their phone and they'll be like, what does my hair look like? What color is it? And I'm like, girl, hold on. We haven't even put the icing on the cake yet. The toner isn't on. Like, she's not cute yet. Like, let me finish, girl. Let me finish. But yeah, so for my hair, I pretty much just wanted to richen it up a little bit and have some fall vibes. I really wanted something more chocolatey toned or more caramel toned, so I ended up mixing up, you know, just that. So we ended up toning those front pieces down. They weren't as light, but I definitely needed them to be even. I wanted there to be more of like a contrast in the front of my face compared to the back of my hair. Alright, you guys, I'm done washing my hair. I'm about to get ready to blow dry. It is freezing in here, so I have like 30,000 towels on me right now. But I'm so excited to see the color. I think it's gonna look so pretty. It's definitely gonna give me some fall vibes. But yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I think it's so freaking cute. I'm happy I have my hair back in. Show off the hairs. Show off the hairs or whatever. Olivia's hair came out super pretty. Yes, it's the baby for me. Alrighty, you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I really wanted to start bringing some more hair tutorials to my page. I'm thinking maybe like how I blow dry my extensions, what products I use, how to pick products that are going to be good for your hair. I really just enjoyed making the vlog today too, so I definitely want to do some more of those. But these are things that I pretty much talk to my clients in the salon about on a daily, which I think would be really nice to bring to you guys and for people who follow me, because if this will help you out, if it kind of helps your hair, if there's certain things you guys need help on, that's what I'm here for. So if you guys have any ideas or anything that you specifically want me to make a video on, feel free to go ahead and comment down below. And thank you guys for watching like always, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.